Hello everyone. First of all, this video is not for everyone who has passion in game design from childhood. Get ready. Today I am going to tell you about how to install Unity Engine and Visual Studios for coding. Don't think that we are going to design games like PUBG. Now, first we are going to design small games, then we are going to design big games like PUBG. Are you ready to learn game design? Let's go. We are going to download Unity from Chrome. Search Unity 3D, select download Unity. Here there are paid and free versions. Now we are going to download free version. You can see here download has begun. Now I am searching for Visual Studio 2017. Here find the Visual Studio 2017 text part. Download from this site. You can also download latest versions as you wish. We have to download community editor. Click on it. After download, we are going to open and install it. To install Unity, we need almost 2 GB storage. After installing Unity, open it. We have Installs tab, open it and click on Add. Select an version to install and click on Next and select Build options. We had lots of options, but I am going to select an Android build. And click on Next and accepting terms and conditions. Clicking on Done and install begins after clicking Yes. But I am clicking No because I am already installed Unity. Now I am going to install Visual Studios. After installing it, we will open like this. I am going to stop this video from here. And next video I am going to tell you about setting of project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.